So this is part 3 of loud. I don't know. This is another Belch video according to this status.
According to the status of the Belch master and my trusty cameraman and lawful, very loyal assistant here is named Nikki, and cameraman Brandon. Say hi, Brandon.
Hello.
All right, we're gonna be doing some more stuff today. Now I have requests from Nikki. Would you like me to do anything? I soiled that rock.
Sing a Cradle of Filth song in Belch form, or like a little lyric or something.
A ghost in the fog.
No, wait. Do the Eden.
Eden?
Yeah.
Which one's that one?
I don't know, by Bloodbath?
Oh, Eaton.
Yeah, Eden.
Alright.
I have one desire since I was born, to see my body ripped and torn, to see my flesh devoured before my eyes. Person of yourself refined.
Okay.
Cut me up, split me apart, suck my guts and lick my heart. Cut me up, I like to be hurt, lick my marrow and...
Well, that's what I can do.
My
Somewhat.
marrow and bones for
So
dessert.
can you say the word?
It's like my marrow and blood for dessert.
Can you say the word? Let's see. Just belch your life out.
Is that loud enough for you?
Yep,
Should I try louder?
if you would like.
This is the end of Belch number 3.
¿Podrían hacer eso en otro lado, porfa? Es que se escucha todo.
Sorry.
One more belt.
Goodbye, YouTube viewers.